So Duke, how has your weekend been? You can be honest. Oh, he's wagging his tail, Dad. I think he has enjoyed himself.
This is Dwayne and our dog Duke, and I am Dina. We are weekend warriors and travel in our 29-foot fifth wheel. So come and enjoy the journey with us. We are the best of us, the Floras.
Have you enjoyed yourself this weekend?
Speaking the words of the ancient prophet, it's been a great camping trip. We've had a wonderful time. Built some good fires, as you can see. Got one going again tonight. Yeah, it's pretty much what the ancient prophet said.
So we are at the Cardinal Campground. It's just off of I-75 and 61. And for those who live in Ohio, it's just north of Polaris and Sunbury. So we've never been to this campground before. We kind of like it. I'm kind of mixed emotions about it, but we like it. We got last minute reservations. We forgot to reserve for Labor Day. We did that last year. And so I started looking around. State parks were of course awful. And I called this place, we had seen it off the interstate. And they have a huge gun range out here. And lo and behold, they had someone who just canceled, and I booked it last week. And we have a pretty large site. Here is our site, and it is a really long site. So I think they put really large rigs. We're trying 29 feet, so we have still a lot of space. So this one definitely would take a huge Class A. And it's got an extra ride. We'll see where Dwayne's truck is. Golly, we could park 3 cars in this. And we're gonna have a fire tonight. You can see people are lined up to get ready to check in. So, and it's a good site. It's right off the interstate. So you hear a lot of interstate traffic, a lot of trucks and things like that. I call it white noise. I really didn't notice it last night. We got in really late last night. And so we've been, we rode our bikes around earlier today. And so we're getting ready to ride around so you can kind of see the campground. But people are coming in like crazy. It is Friday on Labor Day weekend. So here we go.
What an incredibly large dog walking park they provide here at the campground. And as you can see, plenty of golf carts in the distance. And a pavilion where a lot of activities will take place this weekend. And then for the kiddos, an incredible playground area. Oh, to be a child again in these days and be able to have such an awesome, awesome gym set to climb around on. You need firewood, you need gas, you need golf carts to get around the campground. This place has got them.
We've ridden our bikes a lot.
We have ridden our bikes. We were able to get out with some toys and shoot them.
That's right. We
That's
did
good.
go to the gun range.
Yes, they've got several gun ranges here.
And that was kind of fun.
It was. This is the first time to use my PC, and I am excited about the possibilities. Let's see what happens. That feels pretty good. And you probably can hear the trucks in the background. That's because one of the drawbacks to the campground, only the one, is you're right off Interstate 71. The good thing is their staff here is phenomenal.
Oh, yeah.
The site is really a wide site, good sized site, and seems like everybody's friendly RVers. So it's been a good place to come to. Maybe a good place to come back to, who knows?
We may.
Now, these are the best marshmallows that one can get.
And Dwayne's going to make 2 on his.
That's because they're smaller than they appear on TV. Camera
Right.
adds an extra 10 pounds.
Right. Where's your chocolate?
Oh yeah.
No, don't do what he does. Oh, it's melting good though. Ooh. I do think so too.
You can't beat a s'mores in a campfire. That's all I'm saying. What's the matter?
So we even brought our television out here. Big television that Dwayne won a couple years ago.
Yay me. So thanks once again for coming along with us on this trip. It's always good to have friends and to track together. And as we always say, from the best of us to the best of you, may your travels be everything that they should be and that you hope they will be. And we just, if you've enjoyed our videos, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think some folks don't realize the place of that subscription. They watch a lot of videos, and I'm probably
Right.
guilty of this too.
Right.
But we don't push the subscription button. So some folks don't realize the value of pushing the subscription button. We all probably watch a lot of videos, but
I
when
do.
you push that subscription button, it really helps the ratings for the host and for their video channel. And so if you don't mind, give us a not only a thumbs up, but also join us and follow us, and we'd love for you to tag along. If you'd like to know when our next video comes out, just push ring the bell and it will inform you. Available. As you can see, we're kind of bundled up a little bit. You can tell that we're heading into the fall time of the year.
No, it has been pretty chilly.
Yeah,
Got my
and-
jeans out.
And so yeah, we've awakened to temperatures in the 50s, which, as warm as it's been, our blood is
Yeah.
still thin.
Really
I
is.
just made a rhyme.
Okay, move on.
Oh, okay. But thanks again. We wish you well, and see you later on.
All right, bye-bye. It's just perfect for me. I love it. Good night.
stop believing.